I had a client who was like in a similar space. I think they actually have an Amazon FBA business. They have multiple ones, but I was working on one that was somewhat similar, like teaching people how to run Facebook ads and get clients and all that. So they had a $5,000 program. They're making about 400 grand a month. And this is after I'd been working with them for a little bit. So they're doing pretty well. But I said, hey guys, like not everybody can afford $5,000. Like we need to have something lower ticket. So like we give people the opportunity to swipe their card for less money. And at that point, they'll be able to like kind of see what it's about. And then maybe eventually they'll come back. So I said, okay, we'll try it. So they hired somebody to make this new $10 offer. Started running some traffic to it, started doing well. The AOV was like 75 bucks. And they're like, hey, this is doing pretty well. Let's start running cold traffic to it. So they start running cold traffic to it. They get all these $10 buyers in. And keep in mind, this is like thousands of $10 buyers. And 4% of those people went on to spend 5 grand.
Hmm.
And it's only 4%, but it's a lot of people. So one thing that would make you look like a genius to your client is like, hey, why don't we work on something that's like $5 to $10? That's like just the very basic principles of what we teach. So we get them to believe in it before we try to sell them on, I think yours is 3 grand, you said, but still.